Cause ain't nobody gonna waste nothing, huh? My godson making the grits. And he done made a whole bunch of grits. Yes, you did. Yes.
It was like this boy, see, he know how to cook, and man, people stuff.
Don't make no sense. And then I'm making the salmon patties. I'm using my deep fryer, y'all. And I also put 2 eggs in them. Son, what are you doing? Look at Malik. Let me see. Because you put a lot of grits in there.
You gotta cook some more.
Lord Jesus. What time it is? Because we supposed to be going to church.
It's probably 11:30 by now.
It's 11:11.
Yep, everybody better get up. And this boy told me he gotta find something well. Go home and wash, boy. If you don't got that sink, boy.
No, he need to go wash, not get at no sink. All right, y'all. So my salmon patties. I should have put a napkin down. Yeah, let me put a napkin down, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So let's go ahead on and get them out. Okay. All right, y'all. That's how they look. Looking good. So let's go ahead on and make some more patties. I'll make some little patties. Flatten them out real good.
Y'all be robbing the right. I'm telling y'all be robbing the right. But I promise that.
And then I drop them all in.
However, the story then took a bizarre turn. Rather than stand up to the man who stole your jewelry, Big Champ turned on the YouTube and told him to do the logical thing and report to the authorities. Champ got on IG Live.
All right, y'all. Breakfast is done. Grits. Brandon making his plate. Godson about to make his plate. Other godson over there in front of the darn TV.
Hold on. Get my desk.
Go ahead. Get it now. Get it. It's crazy. Bring the plate right here.
Baby's already.